Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4%. Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation.
Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. Good evening. It's the evening for me, depending on what time zone you are in. Good morning, good afternoon, good day. I want to do a recap. Yesterday we had NFP. So I want to take a look at the market, kind of tell you where I'm positioning myself for this new week. I think this new week is going to be pretty decent. In terms of the fundamentals, the news releases, and so on, it's looking pretty good. Let me just flip over to the new week. Internet is behaving very strangely today, I'm not gonna lie. So if you experience anything, this is it, right? Here we are. Anyway, pretty much nothing's gonna happen until Wednesday. Then the New Zealand news is gonna come out, USD news, CPI, CAD, interest rate announcements, and then we have the Euro interest rate announcement as well. So it's going to be very, very lit next week. So I'm hoping it's going to be. But anyway, let's take a look at the charts. We have DXY, where I love to start. As you can see, rejection off of the support level. I've been saying that I was expecting this bounce or, just some type of bullish momentum to the target up here. NFP came in and pushed this all the way up here, okay? However, after NFP passes, about an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours after NFP passes, it retraces, gives back all those gains to leave us pretty much where we were before NFP. Now, has my consensus, has my analysis, has my understanding changed? No, I haven't changed as far as me believing that the dollar index is going to go up, okay? This reminds me, when we're talking about things that are going up, this is also happening still, okay? This is still happening. 2400 is going to be achieved on gold. Argue with me. 2400 is going to be achieved on gold. Just putting it out there. Moving on to pound NZD. I've been long on this for quite some time. We were in profit by a bit, about 1-to-1 or so in profit on pound NZD, and then we've kind of fallen back to support. Still long on pound NZD though. USD JPY, long on this. We had this bearish move over here, and then NFP came in and then pushed us back into this consolidated level or zone. Still bullish on USD JPY. USD franc. It's hard to kind of say for certain what's going on because, like I said, I'm long on the dollar index, so I should be long on USD franc. However, this bearishness, this retraction of the price, this retracement of the price is concerning because normally when this happens, price tends to continue down as, the rejection holds. But going back to the dollar index, I still haven't seen anything to signal that, this, sorry about that. I'm saying I still haven't seen anything, to signal that this is bearish. Not yet, at least. I think maybe by Monday's close, if we have a significant bearish candle, not even a significant, but if just a bearish candle that can kind of test this level here, then I can consider dollar index going down. For now, I don't see it. Pound NZD, like I said, I am long on this. USD JPY, I am long on USD JPY. USD franc, I'm flat. I don't really have any trading ideas. The last thing I had was after this breakout over here, we had this rally up to this level, and that's what I was aiming for. We achieved it. So for now, I don't have any ideas in regards to USD franc. AUD JPY. AUD JPY. I was hoping that AUD JPY would have a deeper retracement. I was hoping that AUD JPY was going to have a deeper retracement. I had reason to believe that AUD JPY is going to rally, and I was looking for an opportunity to buy it. So I looked at some support levels, and I thought that, maybe this is the one that's going to be tested down here. It seems to have found support around the 98.31 level, and it's rallying back up. Frustratingly so. I was thinking that maybe this could be a double top, 1, 2, but then I needed this candle over here to close bearish, and it hasn't. So I don't know when this is gonna fall, to be honest with you. I don't know if I'm ever going to get an entry, but obviously past a certain level, I'm gonna just count this trade as being invalidated and close it. It's okay. Moving on to New Zealand CAD. I still think there's some major upside on this currency pair. This reminds me of AUD NZD. So AUD NZD has been just destroying people's lives since late February. I believe a short is on the cards. The way I see it, there's pretty much 3 scenarios, right? It's either going to break from here, it's either going to test this trend line and then break down, or it's going to go up to maybe around 1.101 around here, maybe a little bit higher, and then fall. regardless, it's not what I want. Thankfully, I'm not in this trade. Yeah, this is horrible. Whoever's stuck in this, maybe short. Sorry. Back down to GA. No real opportunity here either. Gold, as I've told you, this thing is going to fly. It's going to keep on flying. Okay? I've been calling these highs from here. Gold, 2400, easy. 80 franc, no trade there. Wait, it might be one. No, no trade. GCAD, nothing there. New Zealand franc, the most frustrating and stubborn currency pair of 2024. I've been trying to short this 3 times. And it would just come back down to this trend line and then reverse. Trend line, reverse. I'm actually over this trade. Like, I mean, I still think it's a short, but I'm not taking it for the 4th time. Yeah, that's just where I'm at. You can see this huge candle right here. This happened because of, what was it? I think it was the franc CPI, if I'm correct. There you go. Yeah, it was the franc CPI on Thursday, and that was the reason for this candle. However, it very quickly, retraced, and now it seems to be turning bearish. I don't know. I mean, like I said, I'm short on it. I believe it's a short, it's a sell. I'm just over, like, I just don't have the patience for this trade anymore. I don't. However, though, I will say it is a good indication that, this rejection happened, rejected the highs, and Friday closed bearish. That is a good indication that a decent move is on the cards. Yeah, no, I just don't like it. Euro pound, still bullish on this. Still very bullish on this currency pair. Euro pound, I believe that we're going to achieve at least, where are we from here? About 60 pips, nothing major, something light, 60 pips on Euro pound. And then USD CAD over here, right? Broke up to the top side and retraced. Basically, anything with the USD involved with it retraced from the highs or the lows caused by NFP. What that means, Monday will kind of reveal more, because I think if we close bearish on Monday on USD CAD, for instance, that to me is going to signal that, we're going to sell at least back down to 34.50. And then this would obviously influence dollar index, USD JPY, and USD franc. So I basically use all of these currency pairs together with each other to kind of figure out what I should do, because they all correlated. So yeah, Monday's closure will tell me exactly what I need to do. Why do you trade choppy, messy price action? What is choppy, messy price action? What is your definition of choppy, messy price action? must remember, this is a 4 what is this? This is a daily chart. So it might look choppy to you on the daily chart, but if you go to the 4-hourly time frame, you will see some decent extended moves, you know, there, 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 there. So when you say choppy, messy price action, to me, my definition of choppy, messy price action is this. Like, I wouldn't know how to make sense of this, you know. Trading the 1 minute time frame. That's what my definition of choppy, messy price action is. That is what my definition of choppy, messy price action is. BTC USD Coinbase. Live. Okay. Okay. Here. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much my outlook. Has trading not ever had trading not actually ever have someone pass a prop firm live? I've seen a lot, but no one passing it. You haven't seen a lot, then. I guess you haven't seen a lot. Go watch the videos. Go watch the videos and then come back and tell us who passed or who have passed. Silent. For a person with a name like Silent, hey? Nothing silent about you. Anyway, so we have currency pairs. probably no. I just had to, I just had to. I just had to, Okay. Yeah. So these are the currency pairs. My ideas, my ideology. I'm looking at Monday. Okay. But for the most part, still believe in the analysis that I shared on Thursday. But Monday is very important. Monday is very crucial for the currency pairs I'm not in yet. I am in USD JPY. However, I will say this about USD JPY. I am loaded up on sells, right? I have pending orders for sells like all the way back down here. So if we were to reverse, whatever, I've kind of accounted for that as well. Yeah. But for now, bullish on USD JPY. If I remember carefully, the last week of April, we have Japanese high impact news coming out. So, you know, we'll see. We're going to see what's going to happen. We're going to see what's going to happen. But like I said, I'm long for now. But if we were to reverse short for any reason, I have a couple pending orders as well that I am holding on to. It has been lit, guys. It has been lit. I know it's a Saturday, and the last thing you guys want to listen to on Saturday is a guy talking about Forex. But here you have a guy talking about Forex. So I'm going to love and leave you guys, and I'm going to see you on Tuesday for the next live. Okay. Yeah. Have a good one.